welcome to this new hands-on lesson. Actually, this is our first hands-on lesson throughout the course. I found it important to stop the concept and switch to some hands-on before continuing with the concept. In the next lessons, we have more features to learn, and we need to have hands-on along with learning these new features and concepts. So in this lesson, we will get to know the interface, the ArcSight console interface, and how to make a log integration. So we know the know-hows of the main ArcSight components in action. So when we talk about the features in the coming lessons, we can map these concepts on the console directly or on the smart connectors, so we can comprehend the concepts more quickly. So this first hands-on lesson will be a basis to build up on through the coming lessons. In this lesson, first we will know how to get the different software components. So you can download the ESM software, the logger software, the smart connector, everything. If you have an entitlement on MicroFocus self-service portal or the SSO portal for MicroFocus, this is the link software support.softwaregroup.com. If you have an entitlement, so you should log in and then go to the license and downloads. Go there, you will find a list of the entitlements that you have. An entitlement, in simple words, is like a unique number corresponds to the eligible software licenses that you purchased from MicroFocus. So if you purchased the logger, you will get the logger software. You can download the logger software and the smart connectors. If you purchased ADB, you will get all the components of the ADB, including the logger, ArcMC, the smart connectors. If you purchased ESM, you will get the ESM, and so and so. So I will not come into this in detail because it requires entitlement, as I said. So if you have one, you are able to log in and get the software from here. Unfortunately, there is no ESM trial, so we can download and test. There is a logger trial, and this you can see in the MicroFocus ArcSight Logger Hands-On course, that you can get a free coupon on it once you enrolled in this course. Just drop me an email and I will send you a free coupon to attend the ArcSight, the MicroFocus ArcSight Logger Hands-On, to get to know how to download or make an account on MicroFocus and download free trial of the logger. As I said, for the ESM it's not available, and full-fledged smart connectors also are not available for free. You have to have an entitlement, as I said, but there is one limited version of the smart connectors that's also explained inside the MicroFocus ArcSight Logger Hands-On course. So drop me an email, I'll send you a free coupon to attend the other course. It's a short course, not that big like our bootcamp here, but you can attend this course to learn how to get this free trial software. The loggers, ArcMC, the limited version of the smart connector. So let's continue with our lesson. After we get the software and we make the installation, so I will just go to the ESM console, and there are lessons after that for the ESM installation. But after we get over the whole concept of the ESM, this in next chapters after the ESM 101 is finished. So I will here login. This is the interface, the console. It's a Java based application, workstation based heavy client or C client that you install, make installation for it on your desktop or laptop, and then you log in with your account. Analyst or admin is the super administrative account. So you log in here as a user admin. Oops, I forgot my password. So I will try again. Here we go, starting console. So after you log in, you will get this interface. In brief, it's composed of three main panels: 1, 2, 3. The navigator panel, the viewer panel, and the inspect edit panel. When you click this button, the left navigator disappeared. If you click it again, it appears. And so for the viewer, you can toggle it like this, and the inspect edit. So this is very simple interface. With this toolbar, you can manage the viewing area of any of the three panels. In the navigator panel, you have all the ArcSight resources that we talked about them briefly in the previous lessons. Some of them are investigation tools like the active channels, dashboards. Some of them are correlation tools like the rules, like the pattern discovery, and so on. We will try to cover these resources in the coming lessons. Next, we have the viewer. So if you select a resource like an active channel, and here we have like a live Windows logs active channel. If you double click this, you will get the viewer panel populated with the logs, this Windows logs. It will start filling up this window with the logs received, the Windows logs received. Okay, you can expand the panels as you can see here. Once you get the logs filled here, you can double. Currently the channel is active, but temporarily quiet, and there are no logs. So anyway, if you get any log here, you can double click this log to get more details about the log here. So this is one function of the inspect edit, that you can view more details. That's the word inspect. You view more details about one log here. So you can see the fields in details and so on. And /edit, so you can edit a resource. So if I go to the definition, for example, of this active channel, I can right click and select edit active channel, and it opens up here the configuration of the active channel. So you can see the name, the timestamps, and so on. So that's the inspect/edit. Other resources include some Bing tools and lookup, some network tools, the actor model, the network model, or use cases. All of this will come across during the coming lessons. And the navigator has the resources, packages, and use cases. And actually, packages and use cases are a collection of resources combined together, related together, in one package, so you can export from one ESM instance and import in another. So it allows the package synchronization among different ESM instances and for backup purposes and so on. So that's it for this lesson. It's very quick about the ArcSight console. So in the next video, we're gonna make installation of a smart connector and integration to the ESM console to like make an end-to-end flow for the event through the ESM ecosystem from the log collection phase up to the correlation or receiving and normalizing everything and correlation through the ESM. So we can build up, as I said at the beginning of the video. So when we talk about any features, any resources in the coming lessons, we can come to this nice console and start practice on it directly. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.